Yeah, for an insurance claim on roofing damage, the homeowner may take some pictures or something like that, or if there's leaks inside the home, pictures or videos of what's happening there. But really going to rely on a couple things. One is the contractor that you have out to do an inspection, and they'll do an assessment, take photos, and those will probably have a little bit more value for the insurance company. And then what you would expect an insurance company to do is send someone out that is a part of the insurance company, and they do an assessment. And it's really the information that they gather that leads to what's covered, what may not be covered, and what the value of that is. They have what's called a scope of work that they'll write up, and they use a software system nationwide for the most part, so that the pricing is consistent and the items that you would expect to find on a roof are within that scope of work. So the contractor that comes out that says, yep, I can confirm it looks like you need to get your roof replaced, the damage is significant. Insurance wants that information, and that kind of justifies, okay, well, we probably should send an adjuster out to take a look. And it's what they find that really determines whether or not you get a replacement or what's included. It sounds like, or the trend is, insurance companies, rightfully so, are tired of replacing roof systems. The hail comes all the time. Hail destroys asphalt shingles and even metal roofs and everything else. And they replace a lot of roofs, and the cost of that goes up every year. It's a commodity, building materials, and so it feels like they're making it a little bit more difficult to get them approved, and they're making it a little bit more difficult to pay out enough to actually get a new roof replaced. The onus it's more on the homeowner and the contractor to fight for those, or for the contractor to advocate for the consumer to make sure that they're getting treated fairly, and that the insurance company is covering what they should cover and using reasonable pricing in order to make it happen.